Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Open your terminal now and run SSH version to confirm the client exists. If you have a private key, set strict permissions with chmod 600 on that file. This prevents refusal by the server. Gather the server IP and username. You will need them immediately. Once done, construct the basic command. SSH user at server IP or include i/path/ to /key when using a private key. Next, you execute authentication and adjust connection options to suit your environment. Run SSH i/path/ to /key user at host for key-based login. If prompted, enter the key passphrase. For password auth, SSH user at host will ask interactively. If a non-standard port is used, include P2222. To diagnose issues, add V or VV for more output. Once you confirm the command works, create or edit // SSH/config to store host. Finally, you wrap up the session and handle common failures. End a shell with exit or Control-D. If you background a job, use FG to resume. If you see permission denied, check the key, user, and file permissions. If connection timed out, verify IP, DNS, and firewall rules. For host key mismatches, remove the old entry from /. SSH/known hosts and reconnect to accept the new fingerprint. Make sure to use SSHV to read step-by-step diagnostics when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.